Hey everybody, it's Sam here again from Lean Greens with the Upgrade Your Nutrition Challenge. So today we're going to be looking at whizzing up your own soup, which is an awesome way to sneak in some extra veggies, use up veggies that are maybe looking a little bit sad in the fridge. And so I'm going to show you my pretty foolproof method to making an awesome soup. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold, so you have to excuse the snuffles. So if you want to come over here, basically every soup I make starts with an onion and a leek. I'm actually going to make leek and potato soup, so in here are 2 leeks. And those have been sautéing in a little bit of olive oil and butter for about 5-10 minutes with the lid on, and you want to get them so that they're nice and wilted but without any burning, okay? So once they've reached that sort of stage, I'm going to add the potatoes. So I've got 3 potatoes here. As far as quantities go, it's almost like, I took a photo of this plate beforehand, which will be in the blog post when we put it up. So it was kind of like onion and leek is half the plate and then other veggies for the other half. And you could do carrots, you could do broccoli, you could, asparagus, you could butternut squash, pretty much anything. So I'm going to give that a wee stir. Oh, also in with the leek and onion was a generous squidge of salt. And I'm going to add a little bit more salt now. I always find that only thing that I do wrong with soup normally is under season it, but then you can always correct that at the end. So at this point, this is where, with a lot of trial and error, this is just some vegetable stock. Normally I actually use chicken stock, but I have a friend coming who's a vegetarian, so I remembered to use the vegetable stock today. So where I found soups have gone wrong in the past is really by just not having enough flavour. And I reckon that if you top it up to just about that level so that it just covers your veggies, and then simmer that until everything's cooked. So this is probably going to take about half an hour or so for those potatoes. And at that point, I'll be able to then whiz it up using my trusty hand whizzer. And then at that point, you can always add more liquid to make it more liquidy, depending on how thick it is. But if you start out with it super thick, it's better, because then you can always wash it down with a little bit more stock or a little bit of water if you need to. I'm just going to pop that on there. Yeah, that's about it really. I'm trying to think, there was probably something else really important to making perfect soup. Oh, you can add in some pulses or beans. So if you like, say, butter beans, for instance, or chickpeas, you could actually add those in, and then when you blend it, you kind of get that kind of cream of soup flavour rather than just a vegetable soup. Adds that sort of creaminess and smoothness to it, and it helps pad it out if you want to do that. Perfect at this time of year. It's getting a wee bit more wintry now, and if you make up some of this, you can keep it in the fridge, you can put it into freezer bags to have during the winter. Easy peasy. So have a go, let us know what your favourite soup recipe is. Remember to add a photo below and hashtag upgrade your nutrition, and let us know how you get on.